Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite people to your party by the help of a link or via a link created on the BACH application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that, you should scroll down and tap on the add guest button in the guest list section. And in the middle of the screen, you can find this invite using link box. And here you can find the link that you can share by tapping on the share link button. And then you can select whether you would like to invite your guests via airdrop, messages, Facebook Messenger, Gmail, and other social networking sites. So just tap on the relevant one and then the link will be inserted. So you just need to find the contact. And then you can also copy the link by tapping on the copy link button down below, so that you will be able to send it to your invitees. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.